perfect session. This is Anamika here, and today I am here with a very different kind of video. Like, this is not usual thing that I do. Like, this is not a usual topic basically I make videos on. So this is going to be interesting, and actually I got this as a request. Like, one of my Instagram fam, she just came up with this thing कि आप बहुत सारा brushes use करते हो, and I never knew कि इतने सारे brushes exist करते हैं. तो please do this video that you are explaining about the brushes. So I'm super excited for this video, and yeah, if you are excited too, then please keep on watching. So as I said, this is not my usual kind of video, but I am enjoying this topic so much. Like, I actually did all my makeup, like the whole glam right here with this makeup brush, and I have been loving, like, literally my makeup looks so nice. Like, I am really in love. And if you want to check out this tutorial right here, you have to go to my Instagram, follow me there, and you'll find it in the IGTV, so you can watch the whole tutorial over there. And now let's not further ado, please get into the brush review. So I'm going to talk about the brushes, how it works, what kind of brushes are there. And if you guys know, I got these brushes for myself. Like, I did a video using this brush already, like my previous life update, and I really enjoyed using these brush. I guess I did not use a lot of them, but yeah, the makeup turned out pretty well. If you haven't watched that video as well, I'm going to link it so you can watch it later on. So yeah, now let's talk about the brushes I have in here. So guys, as you can see, these are all the brushes that I have, and the brush brand is Beili. So these are the Beili brushes, and these are all the face brushes in here, as you can see, and even the eye brushes are in here. So this comes in a cardboard packaging, nothing fancy, and this is how it looks. So we are going to talk about all the brushes right here, and these are going to cost you around 2500 to 3000, and this is like the 20 sets of brush. You even get 30 and even 40, so price का definitely difference होता है, but this is the 20 pieces which I have ordered for myself. You can use this for your personal use as well as for your professional use. Like, if you ask me, I really enjoyed using both ways. मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा खुद पे भी, and even I have ordered another one which is going to arrive super soon. That is going to be there in my makeup stash whenever I'm doing a bridal or a party makeup for a client. So there are total 7 brushes for face, and we are going to talk about each and every brush in here. So the first brush I'm going to talk about is this foundation brush. This has a flat surface on top, and this is a duo fiber brush, as you can see. It is really good to blend out your foundation. I did not use this, like, I use the other foundation brush for the application. So this is the first brush which you can apply and, you know, blend or buff your foundation. And all of them comes with this kind of like protector net, I would say. This is really good. I'm never gonna remove this because it keeps the brush intact in the shape. And now this is the second brush. You can use this brush to apply your liquid foundation. You can just tap in and you're good to go with this brush. You can apply a very nice layer of foundation with this by tapping. Even you can apply highlighter with this. You can do multiple things. Even sometimes I use my face pack with this brush. It's really handy and I really like it. This is how the brush looks. Now next, this is an angular brush. This is how it looks. It is little slanted, as you can see. So, and this will reach to your contour lines very precisely. Even I like using blush with this. Like, you can see, ये एकदम सही जगह पे बैठता है. So, you know, it's very easy to blend out, and this has a very soft bristles as well. It is very easy to you know, like do your makeup. So this is one of the brush. You can use this for blusher and even contour. And then there is the next brush. This is a very fluffy powder brush and I really like it. I even sometimes use blush with this as it's a powder brush. It also comes really handy with your blush and even to powder the areas you would want to, like, just because of this dome shape, it reaches nicely in the corners of your eyes as well. So I really like this brush and it is very fluffy to, you know, like do it in your whole face as well. So yeah, that works for your powder and even blush. And the next brush is a concealer brush. As you can see, it has a domed shape but flat in here, and it is very good for your concealer application. This is going to give you a very nice application of your concealer because it is very nice and dense as well. Again, there is a flat top brush for your foundation to buff in and soft as well, and it is also very dense for your whole face, and you can just go with dabbing motion or even circular motion. Like I have my makeup on, so I'm doing this in my hand, otherwise my brush is going to get removed. And yeah, there. And then you have a fan brush. You can use this for your highlighters. Like I normally use fan brush for my highlighters, and sometimes kya hota hai na, you have that fallout from your eyeshadow, and even for that it works. Like I normally do this motion. So like what I normally do, I always bake underneath my eyes, if you have seen. तो थोड़ा सा powder रहता है and उसके साथ fan brush works really well. So I use fan brush in two different ways. Now it's up to you, like what's your call. If you want to go with this motion or you just want to use for your highlighter, it is totally up to you. मैं बस अपना share कर रही हूँ what I do. And then there is 13 more brush which is for eyes. 5 brushes I'm going to talk about. These are for your blending. These are really amazing for blending out your eyeshadows. So this is dirty. As you can see, I have used my eyeshadow today with this and it is very soft again. So this is one of the fluffy brush and works really great on your crease. And then there is another which is a little bit fluffier than that, but it is again very dense, and you can use this again for your crease to blend it out. And मेरा एक दो brush में हो जाता है, so I did almost 2 or 3 eyeshadows with this only. And then there is another one which is a little bit smaller in size and it is again very dense. So it is very good for your outer corners to place the color, and then you can just go back to your fluffy brush and just blend it out. So there are 3 brush in here. And then there is another over here. Again, this is also for a crease brush. I use this for my crease, and then this is also very good for blending out. Again, this has a little thin, it is little thin on the side, and the baki brushes kya ho raha tha na, it is all round, but this is just like a chapta wala. Okay, I don't know how to explain this in English, but yeah, this is a little different, as you can see, comparative to other brushes in here. You can use this for the precise blending on the crease as well. And then there is a very small brush which is again very fluffy, and it is again for your blending and थोड़े छोटे corners में blend जो करना होता है, and you don't want to go with a very big brush. It can actually mess your eyeshadow look, so for that you use this kind of brush. And then there is 4 brushes which you can apply your eyeshadows, like literally tap it in your eyelids. And this is one of the amazing brush. I used this today for applying the golden eyeshadow, which you can see. It is really amazing, and even you can cut your crease with this. So it is very thin on the edge, as you can see. I hope you can see. Same thing, a little taller in the size, and you can also use this to cut your crease and even apply the glitter products, or even you can go with shimmer, pigments, whatever you want to. And Same thing again, you can use the glitter or the pigments or any powder eyeshadows with this. There is another small and precise one. This is for your corners, like एकदम corner में अगर जाना है, you can go with this. I normally use this brush for lipsticks. This is really nice for, you know, like doing the lip work. So I normally don't use this for eyes, I go with this for the lipstick. And then you have two pencil brushes right here, bigger size and the smaller size. Like you can smoke it out on the lower lash line, even you can apply your highlighter on the inner corners and even on the eyebrow bones. Like these are used, I have used it previously and it's also really amazing. So you can do both the works. And then you have an angular eyeliner brush. It is very thin and very precise, good for your pomades, and I really like it. And it gives you very nice precision as well. And last time what I did, I actually applied my lipstick on the outer to like overline my lips, and this really worked. मैंने अभी तक eyeliner के लिए use नहीं किया है, but I did it for my lips and it worked really amazingly. And last but not the least, it's a Spoolie plus angular brush for filling your eyebrows, and this works like magic. I have used this today as well and I really like how this brush works. So yeah, that's it. These are the brush. So these are all the brush I have used and I am absolutely impressed. And these brushes are really nice and effective, good for personal use as well as for your professional job. Like as I said, it comes in 20s, 30s and 40s sets of brush. So I got the 20 sets of brush and I think I have enough of brush. I don't want to go for 30 or 40 ka set. But yeah, I have already ordered one more for the brides, like for party makeups and whatever I do it in professionally. So I have ordered one more of this and I'm really enjoying. Ye to mera hai, like this is not going anywhere. This is for my personal use. It's going to be there on my dresser. I am going to keep this really nice and safe. I have all these net protectors to you know, like keep the brush bristles intact. Like I'll show you what I mean by that. You can see there is no bristles coming out and it's not also like the bristles थोड़े से खराब हो जाते हैं, but I really like कि it has these kind of net thingy. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up and tell me if you enjoyed this different kind of a video. And if you did, like it's not a very different thing, like this comes under the makeup as well. So yeah, if you are interested in more such kind of videos, just let me know, just request it. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.